Hello student, today I am teaching to you class 7 mathematics chapter 5 exponents and power. In today's class I will discuss about the laws which applicable on the such expressions which are denoted in power form. So suppose that if we have a number 2 raised to the power 3 and a number 3 raised to the power 2, and now we have to find the value of this number, or we can say that we have a number 2 raised to power 3 and 2 raised to power 2. So how can we solve this number easily? So according to the previous class, we can evaluate this question by first write this number in this way and then 2 write 2 times because it has power 2, and after solving we get the 2. If you multiply 2 5 times we get 32. So answer of this question is 32. But we can do this question by using the exponent laws within a few seconds. Let us try it. Suppose that if a number 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied with 2 raised to the power 2 and having base same. In this question, if we look about this question, both the expression having same base. So if an expression having same base and there is sign of multiplication in between these two, so we can do it 2 as a common base, and in case of multiplication the powers are added. So the answer will be 2 raised to the power, we will get 2 raised to the power 5, and after solving this we will get 32 as our answer. So by using this way we can find out the product of these two expressions easily, and this is the way of using exponents by which we can solve a question easily. So here we will learn about a laws of exponent, a law of exponent which is followed in solving this question. Suppose that a number a rational number having base x and it has power m, and another expression is multiply with this having rational number same x, but this time it has power different n times. So how can we read this expression? X raised to the power m multiply with x raised to the power n, and its solution will be, if the base is same and the sign is multiplication, then power will be added. So x raised to the power m plus n in case of multiplication. If an expression having base same and power different in case of multiplication, so you can write this as x raised to the power m plus n. On the basis of this, we can say that if a number n having power 1 is multiplied by n2, n5, then the solution will be base is same and multiplication sign is present in between these three expression. So having common base n and sign will be added in case of this, and we will get n raised to the power 8 as our answer. So here law of exponent says that if a number x having power different m multiply x raised to the power n multiply x raised to the power p, suppose that, so we can find the product of these expression as a whole if the base is same. Base raised to the power m plus n plus p. This is the exponential form of the given expression. So let us do some questions on the basis of this law. Suppose that we have a question 8 raised to the power 5 multiply with 8 raised to the power 9. Then first of all, see that here base is same, so we can write 8 as a base, and in case of multiplication power will be added. So 5 plus 9, we will get 8 raised to the power 14 is your answer. Next is 2 raised to the power minus 2 raised to the power, suppose that 4 is multiplied with minus 2 raised to the power 12. What will be the answer? Base is same, which is minus 2, so right, and in case of multiplication power will be added to minus 4 plus 12, we will get minus 2 raised to the power 16. This is our answer. Suppose that we have a number -4 or any negative number minus a and its power is 0. What will the value? Any number having power 0, the value of this expression is always 1. Any number 2 raised to the power 0, 1. Like 4 raised to the power 0, 1. Always. In any case, if a number having power 0, then answer always will be 1. Always, in all cases. Suppose that a number 2, 3, 5, 0, 6, 7, 8 and its power is 0, then the value of this number is 1. Remember this. Any number having power 0, then its value will be always 1. Suppose that if a number three raised to the power 2 and its power also 3, what will the answer in this case? If a number having power of power form means 3 raised to the power 2 and its power is 3, in case of this your answer will be base is as it is 3 and powers of powers means multiplication, so 2 multiply 3 here, not addition here. If an expression having power of its power form, then power will be multiplied in this case. So answer will be 3 raised to the power 6. How can we accept this? Suppose that 3 raised to the power 2 and its power is 3. Now calculate this. 3 raised to the power 2 means 3 multiplied 2 times and its power is 3. So 3 3 are 9 and 9 to the power 3. So it means 9 multiplied 3 times. So 9 9 ja 81 and 81 9 ja 9 1 ja 9 and 9 8 ja 72. 279. And in this question our answer will be 3 raised to the power 6. So if you find 3 raised to the power 6, so write 3 6 times 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 up to 3 6 times. Now multiply this. 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9 and 9 ja 81 and 9 and again 7 to 9. So when we multiply an expression in its power form, then its equivalent value is base raised to the power in multiplication 2 multiply 3 as it is. If we add this, then your answer will be wrong. Remember this point. Suppose that 2 raised to the power 3 and its power is 2 upon 3 raised to the power 4 and its power is 2. So in this case we will write 2 raised upon 3 as a base and power of power means 4 multiplied 2, not addition. If we add these two powers, then you will get a wrong answer. So answer will be 2 upon 3, 4 to the 8. This is your answer. So from here we again learn a law which is followed in case of exponents, which is if an expression, suppose that a it has power m and it's again power n, then the answer will be a if power of power form expressed here, then its value will be a raised to the power m multiply n, not addition. So this is the law number 2, which is followed in case of exponent. The first law is if a same number like a raised to the power m multiply a raised to the power n, then its solution will be a m plus n. In this case, this is the 1 and this is 2. And if an expression in its power of power form, then the answer will be, you will get when multiply these two powers. So make clear difference between these two laws. If the expression is written as power of its power form, then we have to need here multiply these two powers. Or if the expression is written as it is mentioned here, a raised to the power m multiply a raised to the power n, then your answer will be get while we add these powers. Now let us do, on the basis of two laws of exponent, some question of exercise 5b on page 86. The first question is fill in the blanks two raised to the power 10 multiply with 2 raised to the power 8. Answer is, we have to fill here what will be the answer. So in case of, it is resemble to which laws? First law, a raised to the power m multiply a raised to the power n. So its solution will be a raised to the power m plus n. In place of n, we have 2 raised to the power 10 into 2 raised to the power 8. So 2 raised to the power 10 plus 8, and answer will be 2 raised to the power 18. So here we have to fill 18 as your answer. Next is, at this time 1 by 10 raised to the power 3 and its power is 4, and fill in the blanks. 1 by 10 raised to the power this. What is the answer here? So it resembles to the second law of exponent, which is a raised to the power m and its power is n. Then the solution will be a raised to the power m multiply n. So what will be the solution? In place of a, we write 1 upon 10, 3 to the power 4, and answer will be 1 by 10, 3 multiply 4, and we will get 1 by 10, 3 4 is 12. So 12 is the answer of this question. In this way, we can solve this question. Now see question number 3rd of first question. Third part. 8 raised to the power 5 is multiplied with 8 raised to the power 6 and this whole raised to the power 3. What will be the answer here? So let us start one by one. First of all, solve small bracket according to BODMAS rule. So first of all, 8 raised to the power 5 multiply with 8 raised to the power 6. It means we can write this term 8 as a base and 5 plus 6. And its power is 3 as a whole power. So 8 raised to the power 11 here and its power is 3. And again it resembles to the m raised to the power n, so we can write m multiply n. So 8 raised to the power 11 multiply 3 and we will get 8 raised to the power 33 as your answer. So here answer will be 33. In this case, all the 3 questions you can do it as your classwork. Next question is question number 2. Express each of the following products in exponential form. Express each of the following product in exponential form. Exponential form means some base raised to the power something. Exponential form means suppose that a number which is expressed as a base raised to the power as like this. This is exponential form. So first question is, choose first. 7 raised to the power 3 and 7 raised to the power 4. It is resembles to the m raised to the power n. We can write m plus n. So we can write here 7 raised to the power 3 plus 4 and 7 raised to the power 7. This is our answer. This way we can write this. So next is question number 2, 6 part. Minus 5 raised to the minus 5 upon 9 raised to the power 4 multiply minus 5 upon 9 raised to the power 12 minus 5 upon 9 raised to the power 8. This expression also solved by this law. So we can write minus 5 upon 9 as a base, and power, in case of multiplication, power will be added to each other. So 4 plus 12 plus 8, and we will get minus 5 upon 9, 12 plus 8 20, and 4 24 will be answer of this question. In this way, let us note down some your homework. Question number 2 of second part, 3, 4, and 5 as your homework. These questions are based on these two laws of exponents. Question number 3, express each of the following with a single exponent. Single exponent. So first question is 3 raised to the power 2 and its power also 2. So it is resembles to the laws a raised to the power n and its power n. So we can write this a raised to the power m multiply n in this way. So answer will be 3 raised to the power 2 multiply 2. So 3 raised to the power we will get 4 as our answer. And again question number 6, 5 raised to the power 5 and its power is 3 multiply 5 raised to the power 4 and its power is 8. So you can write power of power as a 5 raised to the power 5 multiply 3, and this you can write expression 5 raised to the power 4 multiply 8. So 5 raised to the power 5 3 is 15, and 5 raised to the power 4 multiply 80 means 5 raised to the power 32. And again it is resembles to the first law of exponent. So we can write 5 raised to the power 15 plus 32. So remember, where is addition? If expression is given in power of its power form, then power will be multiplied to each other, and if the expression given in this way, then power will be added to each other. Otherwise you will get maybe a wrong answer. So answer will be 5 to 7, 3 and 4, 5 raised to the power 47 as your answer. Next part, rest part of this question, question number 3, all of you done as your homework. So second part, third part, 4 part, 5th and 7th. Do it this question as your homework. Thank you.